Hi, my name's John. Welcome to a 1 month review of this Artec 181 inverter MIG welder. I've used the welder for a solid month now. It's done quite a lot on 0.8 solid wire, a little bit of 0.6, some flux core. I've had the spool gun on it, and the wife Deborah has done quite a lot of stick welding with it because she really does like stick welding, and she's better than me at stick welding, so she's been playing with the stick side of it. I've really enjoyed using the welder over the last month. It seems to weld better than my 180. I don't know why. It seems to have less spatter. It could just be the way it's set up. The wife's enjoyed playing with stick welding rods with it. Since she got the airfare mask, she just sits and burns rods for the sake of burning rods. I've used my torch, my earthly and my regulator on this. So when you get this set, it's basically a brand new set. It also has the full Artec 5-year return to base warranty. Basically, you can't go wrong. I've finished the review now. The welders normally go back to Artec and they're sold off as demonstrators. What's going to happen with this one, Rob from Artec has kindly given me the welder, donated it to the my YouTube channel, and I'm going to give it away. It's going to be a free giveaway at Christmas. Anybody can enter. To enter the free giveaway, all you have to do is subscribe to my channel, like and share the video. Share the video with as many friends as you possibly can. It costs nothing to share them, it costs nothing to subscribe, and it costs nothing to like. In the comments box, you need to put a comment. In the comment must say Artec 181 MIG welder give away 2023. That's all you've got to put. So I'll write it up above so you can see it. It must be exactly the same way. No capital letters, no full stops, and my computer will pick out a winner from that. It's going to be drawn on New Year's Day, so you've got a good 2 weeks to get your entry in. There's a link in the description box that takes you straight onto the Artec website, where you'll find this welder, many more welders, plasma cutters, more consumables and toys than you can possibly imagine. If you decide to buy something from Artec, use my name. It certainly won't do any harm. Once again, it's your time to say thanks for watching, thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, please do. A massive thanks to Rob from Artec Welding for all the support I've had throughout the year. Anyway, thanks for watching.